Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete a section break on Google Docs. So open up docs.google.com and now open up the document in which you want to delete the section break. So suppose I am here, I am going to open up a default document to show you how do you delete a section break. Alright, so this is document, there is no section break, so I will insert one just to show you. Alright, so I will place my cursor here. I will go to the insert in the menu, then I will go to the break and I will go to the section break continuous, and now you will be able to see there is a section break right here. Alright, so how do you delete it? So there are two ways. Alright, the first thing is that if you have just inserted the section break, then you can press Command Z or Control Z from your keyboard and it will delete the section break. However, if you have opened the document and there is already section breaks present inside the document, so how you are going to delete it? In that case, that undo thing won't work. Alright, so I'm going to again insert the break here. Alright, continuous. So now you can see the break here. Alright, so what you are going to do is you need to place the cursor at the top of the section break. Alright, so I am going to place the cursor at the top of the section break here, or you can also place it right there. Alright, so I'm going to place it here. Now you need to press Alt plus backspace on Windows and you need to press Function plus Delete key on MacBook. Remember, Alt plus backspace on Windows and Function plus Delete on MacBook. So what these keys are going to do? They are going to delete forward things. Alright, instead of backwards, they are going to delete forward things. So I am on my MacBook, so I will press Function plus Delete. If you are on Windows, press Alt plus backspace, and now you can see it has just removed the section break. Alright, so now you can delete every section break in your document. Now suppose these keys are not working, then you need to download this document as a Microsoft Word file. Go to the file, go to the download and click on Microsoft Word. Download this file, then delete the section break inside the Microsoft Word document, then again open it in the Google Docs and it will be removed. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.